This is Nathalie Pace with the Earth Gratitude Project, and we are honored and thrilled to be working with the Pachamama Alliance on our 21-day challenge. Check out what Pachamama Alliance is achieving, helping to protect our rainforests and even helping to secure rights for nature in Ecuador.
Our work in the Amazon rainforest has produced phenomenal results. And that work is carried out in Ecuador through our sister organization, Fundación Pachamama.
In my almost 3 decades leading Fundación Pachamama, indigenous coalitions have become powerful forces for protection and renewal. Together, we have protected the South Central Amazon, built new economic opportunities, expanded community health, and created leadership roles for women. We helped secure constitutional legal rights for nature in Ecuador, which is now a worldwide movement.
A growing global movement seeks to give plants, animals, and entire ecosystems some of the same legal protections that humans have.
And nowadays, we are promoting an open national debate on regenerative economies for the Amazon.
Guided by the profound wisdom and ceremony of our indigenous partners.
My journey to the Amazon rainforest transformed my life, connecting deeply to the forest and realizing that protecting the world's rainforests is protecting humanity's future. My future, your future, and the future of our children.
It aims to restore our right relationship with nature and each other by opening minds and hearts and reconnecting us across generations, cultures, and continents.
The Pachamama Alliance was born from a sacred invitation from the indigenous peoples of the Amazon and from the forest itself. We extend that same invitation to you. With your partnership, we can protect the rainforest, empower indigenous leadership, and shift the dream of the modern world towards a just and sustainable future. This is our moment. Please join us.
So again, to learn more about the challenge of the Pachamama Alliance, register for our 21-day Earth Gratitude Challenge at earthgratitude.org/2026. It's going to be 21 days of celebration, of inspiration, and transformation. earthgratitude.org/2026.